Okay, so the last one is a very popular example I like to use with coins. So it says if Drake has 36 coins totaling $3 and the coins are all nickels and quarters, how many of each coin does he have? And so I have in this case X is going to be my nickels, okay, and Y is going to be my quarters, okay. So there's two different equations that I'm going to have. The first one is going to be dealing with the amount of money that I have, so the total money, and then the other one is going to be dealing with the number of coins that I have. So if I have a total of 36 coins, that means the number of nickels, which is X, plus the number of quarters, which is Y, is going to equal 36. Okay, now, on this case, I know, even though they don't give it to me in the question, that each nickel is worth 10 cents, and each quarter is worth 25 cents. So I'm going to use that in my equation. So I know that I'm going to have a total of $3. Okay, and so every nickel gives me 10 cents, which is 0.10. Okay, every quarter gives me 25 cents, which is 0.25 times Y. Okay, so that's going to be my two equations in my system.